Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Now, let's say you work, let's say Monday through Saturday is your work day, 6-day work day. And here, this network days deal, it automates to 40 hours a week or 8 hours a day, excuse me. Can we change that? Yeah. Why don't we go over to customize work days? And this is going to be nuts, all right? Because there's a lot of different components to this customization, but it's doable. Let's just start off by pointing out a couple of changes here. Structurally, when I say structurally, formatically, but I don't like using that word. Structurally, we're going to change and we're going to use a different function. We're going to use the Workday international function. I call it international because INTL is international, but it probably has some other meaning. I'm just going to use workbook.intl international. This is the structure we're going to use. And the workbook international allows some different formations. Format is similar to the network days, but here we have a start date and days similar to network days. But here's the customization. We have this weekend function or feature that we can change. Oh, now let's go back in. Let me explain what that weekend deal is. I'm going to close this. We're going to scroll down here to weekend number. And the weekend number is structurally set up within Excel where you have to actually insert this number to recognize the weekend days. So let's say you have Saturday, Sunday, which is the traditional weekend day, Saturday, Sunday. If you want weekend days to show Sunday, Monday, you're going to end up entering 2 where that weekend number it showed, or if you have a Monday, Tuesday weekend. What if you only take Sunday off? Well, you would insert 11. Let's say you only take Monday off and you work Tuesday through Sunday, so on and so forth. You can structure this any way you want. You want to work the 5-day weeks, but they're alternating. If you want to work 6-day weeks, you can do that also. You can also format this where you work 7 days a week, but we're not going to get into that today. Let's go in and throw in a couple of components here. We know we have the workday function. It works the same way. It works, in this case, there are no holidays. We want to know the number of work days from December 23rd, and we just picked a date, December 31st. How many work days are there? You know there's 8 days between December 23rd and December 31st. What we're accounting for are the 6 work days. How many work days are there? The result is we can go here and change this to general. So the question we're raising is how many work days are there from December 23rd through December 31st without taking into account holidays? And the easiest way to recognize this is, let's look at a schedule here, just so you can visualize how it works. Let's start December 23rd. We don't count December 23rd. And this is without holidays. We can count how many days are there if you add through December 31st. Well, there's 8 days. There's 1 day off. What we're accounting for here in this workday formula is how many work days. And it shows December 31st, which would be 7 work days. Looking at this from another direction, the question is from December 23rd, when's the last work day if there's 7 days required? Well, here, because there are no holidays taken into account, December 31st. We just have the 1 day off. We take into account holidays and a day off. You can see there's a difference. The last workday would be January 2nd, 2023. Why? Because we go in, we don't count the first day. We have to count for 7 work days using this schedule and holidays. In E14, the blank represents a work day, another work day, another work day, another work day. just count the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Monday, January 2nd is the last workday. Confusing at first. This particular format is just a review, an initial introduction to the Workday International Function. I'll show you other formulas down the road, but that's how you can calculate customized workdays using the Workday International Function.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.